Hey everyone, today I'm thrilled to introduce you to an incredible AI tool that can automatically generate YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and Instagram Reels. Nowadays, people are earning the most money from these three social media platforms. This tool can help you make the most out of them. The tool is called Woxo Shorts AI, and it's designed to fully automate your YouTube channel. Imagine being able to create and post engaging videos while you just sit back and relax. Woxo Shorts AI can generate interesting history, scary stories, motivational tales, bedtime stories, and other trending short videos for you. Why automation is a game changer? Let's face it, creating content can be time-consuming. From brainstorming ideas to editing videos, it's a lot of work. But with Woxo Shorts AI, you can streamline the entire process. This means you can focus on what truly matters, engaging with your audience and growing your channel. How Woxo Shorts AI works. Here's how it works. First, you sign up using the link in the description below. You can start for free, and if you decide to upgrade, I've included a discount code for 20% off. Once you're signed up, you'll see a dashboard where you can create video series based on different niches. For example, you can have a series on interesting history or motivational stories. Woxo Shorts AI supports multiple languages and offers various voice options for your videos. This means you can tailor your content to different audiences around the world. After setting up your series and linking your social media accounts, the tool will start generating videos in less than a minute. Each video comes with automatic sound effects, transitions, and visual effects, making them look professional and captivating. Let's dive into some practical examples. Say you're passionate about history and want to create a series of shorts about historical events. With Woxo Shorts AI, you can set up a series titled Fascinating History. The tool will automatically generate videos about intriguing historical events, complete with sound effects and transitions. Here's a tip. Engage your audience by adding a personal touch. For instance, after the AI-generated video about the fall of the Berlin Wall, you can add a brief commentary at the end, sharing your thoughts or a fun fact. This not only adds value, but also makes your content unique. Another example could be motivational stories. Imagine having a series called Daily Motivation. Woxo Shorts AI can create inspiring stories that uplift your viewers. A practical tip here is to schedule these videos to post early in the morning. This way, your audience starts their day with a dose of motivation from your channel. Managing multiple channels. Woxo Shorts AI makes it easy to manage multiple channels. For instance, you might have a YouTube channel dedicated to educational content and a TikTok account focused on entertainment. With this tool, you can create and schedule content for both platforms without any hassle. This is perfect for creators who want to expand their reach without doubling their workload. Customization is another fantastic feature. You can edit the AI-generated script, add your own twist, or include a personal message. This flexibility ensures that your content remains authentic and resonates with your audience. Let's look at some real-life success stories. One user, the AI historian, started using Woxo Shorts AI for his historical channel. He created a series where the tool generated short, engaging videos of easy historical content. Within a month, his subscriber count doubled, and he received tons of positive feedback from his viewers. Another user, Living Wisdom, runs an inspiration channel. He used Woxo Shorts AI to produce daily inspirational quotes, stories, and lessons, which significantly boosted his channel's engagement. He has over 1.7 million subscribers in a very short period of time, and his channel is making a lot of money. Here are some tips to get the most out of Woxo Shorts AI. 1. Plan your content. Before you start, brainstorm a list of series ideas that align with your channel's niche. This will help you stay organized and consistent. 2. Engage with your audience. Even though the videos are automated, take the time to engage with your viewers in the comments. Respond to their feedback and create a community. 3. Monitor performance. Keep an eye on which videos perform best. Use this data to refine your content strategy and focus on topics that resonate with your audience. 4. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different types of content. The The flexibility of Woxo Shorts AI allows you to experiment with various genres and styles. 5. Use the discount code. If you find the free plan limiting, consider upgrading. The discount code in the description can help you save money while accessing more features. Woxo Shorts AI is a game changer for content creators. It automates the tedious parts of content creation, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating engaging, high-quality videos for your audience. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, this tool will help you make money and have a new source of income. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. The link to Woxo Shorts AI is in the description, so make sure to check it out.